Hello, guys. Welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to make a bar of P chart in Excel software. Okay, this is our graph for the bar of P chart in the Excel software. Okay, this is a data set. Now we will take the data set for the Southern Asian country in most population countries. So the first of all, the highest population percent in the 2023, the Indian country, and the next one the Pakistan and Bangladesh, Iran, Afghanistan, and Nepal. The finally the Sri Lanka. This country the highest most population in Southern Asian countries. So the data used for the how to create a bar of P chart in the Excel software. So the data set move to the next one sheet. So the data already entered. Now the how to create a bar of P chart in Excel software. So the go to the insert menu before the select the data. So the select the data, go to the insert menu and select for the P chart options. So the select for the bar of P chart options. So this is a bar of P chart options created for the bar of P chart. So the now the customized for the bar of P chart in the Excel software. So the first of all the select the graph and right click and go to the format data series option. So the open the new tab for the format data series options. The split the series by the position. This is for the split series position. In the standardly the position in three. If you want to increase the positions, the value in the second part will plot the increase the value. So the 4, the split for the bar chart in the 4. So the 5 increase options the 5. If you want the 6, okay, this is for 6. So the standard I selected the 3. So selected. So the now the add to the value for the bar of each chart. So select the chart and go to the right click and add data label options, then add data labels. So the data label add for the population count. So this population count convert to the percentage and the add to the Southern Asian countries name. So the select the data, the right click and format access. So the go to the label options in the data format data labels. So then first of all the series name, the population, the category name. Okay, the country name added, the value checkbox unremoved and the percentage checkbox added. So the added. Then next for the move to the country name and the percentage of population center of our graph. So the position for the center, the label position for the center. So the next one, the separated, the move to the single line, semicolon options. So added. Then select for the data column, go to the home menu and the font color change to the white because the white is directly visible. So the increased font size before the change to the font type, I choose for the time Roman and font size the 10. Okay. Now the select particular the Pakistan only. The position move to the bar of P chart. Then go to the size and the properties, arrangement options, the custom angle. The value go to the negative. Okay. Okay. The next one for the Bangladesh. Okay. The next one for the Iran. The others to corrected positions. Okay, the font size increase 12. Okay, then bond the bold type. Okay, now the color change to the bar of each chart. So the select the bar, go to the designing option, change to the color. This is a standard color. So if you want the customize to your color, so select the particular chart. Now selected Indian country only. So the go to the home menu and fill the bucket option, change to the color. Okay, the green. The next one, the Pakistan only change to the color. Next only the Bangladesh. The Bangladesh color only change. Okay. Okay, the next one for the Iran color change. The others color change. Okay. Next one the Sri Lankan color change. Nepal. Okay, then change. Now the add to the title. Southern country populations. So the select the title and go to the home menu and change to the font time Roman and font size the 14 and the color change to the black and the bold. So the next one change for the legend options, that also the same change to the color and size is 12 and color is a black. Okay, now the created for the bar of each at in the border. So the select the graph, go to the fill and line options, the border color change to the black and color border with 1.5. Okay, then select for the series line options, that also the same the method for the fill and color options, the line color change to the black and with 1.5. Okay. Okay, this is for the how to make a bar of p chart in Excel software. Okay, if you any doubt on this video, please leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you support to me, um, please subscribe our channel and join to our channel membership. If you want to practice to the this template, our template upload our Telegram channel. Please visit our Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link mentioned in this video description box. Thank you.